Well, welcome to a special episode of Drone and Phone. It's exciting days. We've been promising this for a long time. We've not delivered until today. George, what's happening today?
Finally, our website is now online.
Okay, we're going to give you a quick introduction to our website and also some additional products that we've got for sale. So let's start here. Now, George did most of this work. Tell us about what we're looking at right now, George.
So what you're looking at is droneandphone.com, which is our website where you can find all the different activities in Hong Kong and also...
Well, let's start with the activities. So we've divided it up into these activities, as you can see on the screen. To try and make things easier, we have curated the best of Drone and Phone, so you don't have to spend hours scrolling through all of the 500 or so videos that we've done. Now, down below that, you can still do that by clicking on the map, right, George?
Yeah, try and click on these icons.
Okay, so on the Hong Kong map, you can click on any of the icons, and from there, you're going to be taken to a page where you're going to be able to see the video and also a little bit of information. We've also got other destinations in the Chinese mainland and Asia. But most excitedly, if we go back to those key activities, I'm going to go into the best hikes, for example. Within these key activities, we've tried to make each of the pages much more comprehensive in terms of the kind of activity. So if we're looking here at the 10 best hikes, you can see all of them out, the 10 that we've got out, and you can click on any of these, and what will you get, George?
Okay, let's try Pat Sin Lan. And then the first thing you're going to see is our video, of course, and then scroll down, and then you can see the distance, the difficulty, the time, and a brief description of the hike, and also we have the directions here, and you can click on the...
Okay, so within the directions, we've got lots of photographs that will help you find the place, find the start, and get yourself along the way. And of course, a map, our Google map, which you can have on your phone and follow as you go in real time, and some photographs at the very end, some of the best pictures from the hikes we did. Now, we're slowly getting through all of the activities to give you all of this information, but hopefully it's going to be a much better experience in terms of looking and finding things to do within Hong Kong. But that's not everything, is it, George?
Yep, let's try out Shop.
Okay, so now we have a new button, our shop, and on that there are some products that we're going to show you right now. To start off with, we have created a book, the book of Hong Kong's 10 best hikes. It comes in 3 formats. We have a hardback, which is designed as a coffee table book. It's a really nice book to put on your shelf, or as I said, put it on your coffee table at home. We also have an e-book, which is accessible via Apple devices, Android devices, and Kindles, if that's the way you like to consume it. We like the softback because it's designed as something you can give to a friend. Because within the softback, there is pages after every hike to add your own notes and your own photographs. So the idea with the softback is that you give it to a friend and say to them, try it.
Try out Hong Kong's 10 best hikes.
It's a challenge. Go and do the 10 best hikes, and as you do them, or as they do them, they'll be able to fill it in with notes, and it becomes like a really nice sort of scrapbook, a good memento of their experiences. And of course, they can use this as proof to come back to you to say, look, I have completed these 10 best hikes. So softback, we really recommend. We hope that you're going to be able to give those to people. Now, you'll see on the website, there's a price on there, which is in US dollars. And that's because they're being printed over in the US. But if you are based in Hong Kong, you can contact us and ask for a local price, and we will do bulk orders. It won't be as fast, but when we get enough orders, we'll order them all in bulk, save on the postage, and then distribute them from us. Now, we also have print sales.
Gorgeous, look at this.
Which is quite exciting. So
I shoot this photo.
Some from George, some from me. These are the best of the photography that we've done, not just in Hong Kong, but also in the Chinese mainland and all over Asia. And again, you can go in and choose print. Now, this is going to bring you to another website, which is a Pixels website. And in that, you're going to be able to choose all sorts of things as well as the picture. So if we do this an example, we're bringing up a picture of Hong Kong Island that we took on the Snapchat series. And you can order this in all sorts of different sizes. So you can say take a framed print if that's what you want. You can come up to whichever size you want. Let's go quite big on this because it's a nice. And then you can have a look at it in real time to see the sort of size it's going to be in your living room, on your wall, and how it might look there. So that's something you can do actually through the Pixels website. There is a virtual or augmented reality, should I say, so you can actually shine a phone up and see what that looks like on your wall. But as well as that, what else do we have?
We can actually order a face mask with our photo on it.
We have all sorts of stuff. We have cushions, we have face masks, we have mugs. You can get your Drone and Phone mug with the Drone and Phone logo on, or you can choose one of the photographs to put on it. Mobile phone covers, it pretty well covers everything, even a bed sheet. So if you want George's picture on your duvet cover, you can do that too through this website. It's all available through the shop. So we're very excited about this. It is now live at droneandphone.com, where you'll find all that information. We hope you like it. We hope you also support us by going and buying one of these books and get more of your friends out hiking in Hong Kong. For now,
My name is George.
my name is DJ, and this is Drone and Phone.